Soak 1 cup sabudana for 4 hours. After 4 hours, drain water and rest for 10 minutes. Add 4 tablespoons desi ghee. Add 2 medium-sized diced potatoes. Fry till golden brown. Add half cup groundnut, मूंगफली. Fry till groundnut turns golden brown. Add soaked sabudana. Add salt as per taste, lal mirch. Mix well. Cook till sabudana turns little transparent. Add chopped hara dhania, coriander, chopped hari mirch, green chili. Mix well. Serve hot with curd. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.